I'm really excited about this. So I don't know if you've noticed, but we've been updating the page lately, and we've been wanting to add some new stuff and give you guys some new tips and things. So I want to tell you,
say thank you.
Yes, over 10,000 of you.
We really haven't added value here in a long time, so that means you've been going back and watching old videos,
and we've changed a lot.
And we really want to make sure that we just want to add value to you, and we want to share all of our favorite recipes with you, and
new ones.
We want to commit to going live. I'm doing this for accountability, like one time a week at least, but really update you guys with just so many good resources of like just favorite ingredients and
new
things
new approved foods that we're finding out about, that we're learning. We've been on this journey for 5 years. And
not in a weight loss phase for 5 years.
No,
so
but on
if
our
you're
health
brand
journey.
new to program or anything like that, yes.
Yeah, and
let
me just clarify, because I feel like I got chastised just now, but I just meant we've been on our health journey for 5 years. And so, and if you're, by the way, if you are new around here, just know that we love each other. We get a little snippy. Some of us get a little snippy.
Okay, well, I just drove 5.5 hours because our son is home from college, and so I'm like, I'm ready for some comfort food, and he's like, okay, we're doing lasagna, so let's just go live. So we're making
a new lasagna recipe, you guys. I am so sick of zoodles and zucchini. It just tastes like water.
It does. It waters down the lasagna. So we're making palmini noodles.
So if you don't know what palmini is, it's actually hearts of palm, but palmini is the brand that we use. I love this brand because they come in multiple different shapes and sizes. Yeah. So you can get linguine, you can get angel hair, and you can get lasagna. Yeah. And so they're really cool. They are totally 5-in-1 approved. So we're going to make, right now, 5-in-1 approved palmini lasagna. And not zoodle.
And it
palmini.
Doesn't have to be difficult, you guys. Lasagna, cooking healthy, all of it. We want to show you how simple it is with just a few ingredients. So what we have here is what is it? Yeah, 98%.
Yep, ground beef. Pound of that. We've got. I just did a whole thing on the different pasta sauces. Our top 5 pasta sauces. This is one. Primal Kitchen, made with avocado oil, no added sugars. We've got the palmini, and just so you know,
this is what they look like.
Just so you know, the palmini is. Well, we'll talk about texture here in a second. So we have the palmini.
We have skim ricotta, and then we have a little mixture of skim mozzarella and shredded parm.
The full recipe is on leanandgreentips.com. You can get it there.
And then some herbs, Italian herbs.
Yeah. So that's what we got. So, whoa, sorry about that. There we go. So there we are. So, couple things. All you're going to need to do is cook up your ground beef. You don't need to add the herbs and stuff until the very end. You're going to cook up your ground beef, and then you're going to take 2 cups of your approved pasta sauces. And there are a lot of pasta sauces out there. One of the ones that we go to a lot is Rayo's. Yeah. This is, you're going to add that in here.
Oh, I am?
Yes.
Okay.
2 cups in there.
Okay.
And then, this is what happens when she drives all day. She stops listening to me. But you're going to add 2 cups in there. Mix that up really good. We just redid our stuff, so we have like all these cool utensils hidden. But you're going to mix that up. And then, you're going to, by the way, this makes 4 servings. And then you're going to do a little sauce on the bottom. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your ricotta cheese and you're going to add in your herbs, okay? That's all. We're just going to add in our herbs. That's how I like to do it. Some people would sprinkle the herbs later. I don't like to do that. I think it makes things taste. You can just taste them. So we're just going to add them in and mix it around real. You got it right there? Mix it around real easy, just like that, okay? So that's what we're going to do. We're just mixing it around, and then I'll add some more. By the way, if you're wondering, like, what is that is, again, we'll have the recipe posted on the leanandgreentips.com, but these are just condiments.
I'm laying these down, right?
Well, can I talk about them for a second? I know you're really hungry, but can I talk about them for just a second? Because that was the whole point of us doing this. You're like rushing me along so bad. The whole point of this is that I'm in love with these, and I wanted to share that. So So what is palmini? It's hearts of palm that's been cut really thin and prepared. Now, a couple things about it. It has the texture of, what's that word they use for pasta when it's just a little...
Al dente.
Al dente. Al dente. And here, I'll put it right here so you can kind of see it. See, it looks like pasta. It's got a better texture than pasta for sure. It's got a better texture than zoodles for sure. Yeah. If you don't want it to be hard, one of the things you can do is you can boil it for about 10 minutes. And then that's what we did. So it gives you a little bit of a softer flavor. Now, I'll be honest with you, you can literally just try it. There.
It doesn't really have a whole lot of flavor.
It tastes like a noodle.
Am I putting a layer?
Yeah, we're going to layer it down. So you need about 24 of these for, how many servings we're making? 4 servings. So you need about 24 of these for 4 servings. So we go sauce, and then we go noodles, and then we're going to add our ricotta. Wow. It's because you know it's going to get messy up in here. And then we're going to add a layer of 1/3. You're going to divide everything in thirds because you're going to repeat this.
Do we do the meat sauce first?
No, we do the ricotta first. Okay. You're going to have 1 layer of your ricotta and you're going to 1/3 of it.
How many layers? Oh,
there's going to be 3. So you're going to do 1/3 of that. Okay. Now she was rushing me earlier, and now it's like we're doing surgery over here. No, it's going to look gorgeous. Okay, the other thing I'm going to tell you, you know me, and well, if you're new here, you don't know this, but if you've been around a while, you know me and my kitchen gadgets. So we recently upgraded now for the 4th time. 4th time.
Something keeps happening with
our appliances.
Our appliances.
And so we just upgraded for the 4th time to, can you just scoot this way while you do? Right there between us. Perfect. To that bad boy right there. That's the Ninja Foodie XL. It is stinking awesome, you guys. I'm telling you right now. It gets hot in 90 seconds. It gets to temp in 90 seconds. It cooks food extremely fast. It actually has an internal, like a probe you can plug into it. So you can tell it, hey, I want to cook my chicken to 165 degrees. And it will cook it until it's done and then take it out. Okay. Next, oh man, I got to do this. Sorry. So now you're going to add a layer of the cheese. This cheese. Okay, we're just gonna do it layered. So it's cheese, sauce, noodles. Cheese, sauce, noodles. Okay? Perfect. Go ahead, you can add your layer. So, anyways, so if you're not using a really cool Foodie XL, then we recommend you get your oven hot to 400 degrees. So you would want to already have got that done. Mine's gonna get hot to 375 because you don't need to cook it as hot in that oven just because of the way the convection works. So we're going to do it at 375, but it only takes 90 seconds, so you don't want to get it started right away. Okay? So then Lindsay's adding sauce.
I like having that too because in the summer, you never want to turn your oven on because it just heats up the whole house, and then you got to pump the AC, even if you're lucky enough to have AC. So I love having that because it doesn't heat up your whole house.
Right. So then we're going to go 2 more times, you guys, just like this, 2 more times. I kind of wish you were on so we could see, because I'm not looking. I wish we knew what the comments might be right now. Like, I feel like there's probably people going, why are we watching these guys? I think there's that happening.
We've always said that, though, and you guys have always been so kind.
Yeah. Hey, I want to let you know, too, if you do go to leanandgreentips.com and you subscribe, we're doing a bi-monthly tips where we send you out a new recipe. Yes. We send you out always like different recipes, different tools, actually tips for your journey. I just did a whole thing on how to have the best relationship with your coach. We did another thing that's all about how fat burn actually works. And Lindsay's going to do a video for us here soon that will teach you like a really simple way to understand fat burn.
I'm a visual learner, so that always, that is very helpful to understand how our bodies get into a fat burning state and how do we keep it there.
Right.
And so I'm going to share with you guys all a visual on how to actually
do that.
Get into fat burn.
And so then if you go and subscribe over there too, we're doing what I call gift-aways. Not giveaways, because I think that feels like you're entering a raffle. These are gift-aways. Once a month, we're going to be gifting.
We're not selling your information or anything weird.
Okay, well, now you made everyone nervous. But no, it's not like that. But once a month, we're going to gift away some really cool thing that will help you on your journey. So this month, we're gifting away our favorite thing. Mm-hmm. We're gifting away a mini waffle iron. Mm-hmm. And so it's going to be cool. We're going to actually be able to send you the coupon for you to get it and all the fun stuff. Mm-hmm. And so go over there, leanandgreentips.com, subscribe. We'll post it in here too. The other thing we're doing is I just posted in here in this Facebook group just for you guys that if you ask us about a recipe that you want us to cook and we end up cooking it, you're going to get a gift as well. So make sure you comment on that. We just want to have some fun, you guys. It's been a real crappy 2 years. So we just want to start having some fun. So once you've layered everything just like Lindsay just did, we're going to top it off with the remaining amount of our cheese. Okay. And we're going to top it off with a little bit of this. And what I love is like you didn't have to worry about the noodles. Are they cooked enough? They're already ready. They're good to go. You're going to top it off like that. And then boom, it's right there. You should be able to see it. That's awesome.
Look at that.
And then
gorgeous.
Yeah, yes, she is. Then what we're going to do, go ahead and keep talking, Lindsay. We're going to cook this up to 90 seconds at 375.
Go ahead and keep talking. He walks away and keeps talking.
Now start talking.
I feel like you're bossing me around.
All right, you have 90 seconds. In 90 seconds, our foodie will be ready to roll. And we'll put that in for about 20 minutes or until it's hot all the way through. And for us, probably 15. I'm sorry, I'm bragging, I know. But for us, about 15 minutes. In that amount of time, I will have cleaned all the dishes. Lindsay will have enjoyed probably a coffee. And then we will have dinner together after a long road trip. So hopefully you guys like that recipe. All the details we'll give you all the details. Obviously, you can have them all. Instructions, pictures, all the fun stuff, and all the stuff we used.
What a perfect Friday night, like, deliciousness.
Yeah.
And,
And we did it all in 12 minutes.
I think that's an important thing to remember is you can still enjoy, like, good, like, man, it's Friday night. We're going to watch a movie, and I just want to eat something hearty and good food. And you don't have to give up on your health goals.
Right.
You can actually eat well, fuel well. You're going to feel better, especially in the morning.
It's not about the food, but it really is nice to have good food in the middle of this journey.
Yes.
So we hope you have an amazing Friday or whatever day you end up watching this. We hope that you just keep getting leaner and leaner and leaner and that you add to your health while you're losing weight. So have a great one.